up fam, it's Wyf CaityB back in the building with yet another reaction video with Mama B. This is my mama and we only react to polys or just nations in general. So for today we're going to be reacting to a brother in America. We've reacted to some of his tracks before, but we're going to be reacting to On My Mental. So On My Mental. If you're new to my channel and this is the first ever video you're watching, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by, and if you want to consider subscribing, please do by clicking on my logo over there or click subscribe at the bottom. Please don't forget to click that bell to keep notified on when we upload videos for you guys. But yeah, thank you to those that have requested as well, and don't forget folks, PolyMovement, Poly businesses, we have some Melbourne merch for you guys today that we'll be promoting. We have Hood Clothing Company. I have in the description box below the links to their socials if you guys want to get any merch and stuff like that too. But yeah, let's go. Feels deep.
No, you bandana.
Swerving in a random, murder on my mental. Ain't no way to run when I got this burner to your temple. Feel like I'm the one with all the shit that I done been through. Feel like I'm the one, nigga. I be swerving in a random, murder on my mental. Ain't no way to run when I got this burner to your temple. Feel like I'm the one with all the shit that I done been through. And bitch, I gotta eat like everything that's on the menu. Could've been doing life with all the shit that I was into, but God got a nigga, so I'm finna get my issue. Niggas play with me, your baby mama's finna miss you. Hop out, then I hit you, and every nigga that's with you. Niggas looking sad, but the bag what I'ma get to. Talking to your ass if you think the shoe fit you. Nigga, I was solid when I was in them state issues, and that type of shit can't be on you, but only in you. When they see you win, now they wanna come befriend you. But I'm a little brighter than most, they wanna dim me. When they see you win, now they wanna come befriend you. But I'm a little brighter than most, they wanna dim me. Look, swerving in around, murder on my mental. Ain't no way to run when I got this burner to your temple. Feel like I'm the one with all the shit that I done been through. Feel like I'm the one with all the shit that I done been through. Swerving in around, murder on my mental. Ain't no way to run when I got this burner to your temple. Feel like I'm the one with all the shit that I done been through. Feel like I'm the one with all the shit that I done been through. Look, there's two things in these streets that you better know. You either die for the shit or hit the level 4. What you better do is get your cheddar, bro, and roll the dice on them niggas, cause you never know. I got too many behind bars like a metaphor. And it's free them niggas, dog, till they let them go. What I'm saying, when it's green, man, you better go. It was a clear black night, a clear white moon. Young girl was 16 on the...
It was a clear black night.
Orangey.
Yeah. Regulate. Dang, I like that one. Man, I like what he's saying about it. He was saying, like, with all the stuff that he has been doing and been through, like, despite that God's been by his side and he hasn't had to, you know, get, like, I'm guessing what he's saying is being locked up or, like, killed or anything like that. Which is...
It's meaningful.
Yeah.
And the struggles and the pressures of stuff get to you. You gotta keep strong.
100%. God's by your side for a reason, man. And if he stopped you from, you know, going down those paths or anything like that, then definitely a sign. Everything, yeah.
Everything happens for a reason.
100%.
Everything.
And we're firm believers of that too.
It was a clear black night, a clear white moon. Young girl was 16 on the block with the goons. 832 and them niggas, they slid through. A nigga out the window smiling with a chip tooth. Niggas got the duck and the homie, he got the buck, and the other homie was hit on the floor with his blood gushing. The homie kept shooting as them niggas skirted off. If it wasn't for that nigga, it would have been curtain calls for us all. But hell no, this nigga on the floor still. I'm trying to keep him calm, but he won't hold still. And I'm telling you, you better think about your kids before you want to die on us. Better find a way to live. The homegirl pulled up around 8:36, so we put him in the whip and told her get him there quick. The rest of you niggas, cuz, you know what time it is. And that's the reason we was scrubbing in around. Murder on my mental. Ain't no way to run when I got this burner to your temple. Feel like I'm the one with all the shit that I done been through. Feel like I'm the one with all the shit that I done been through. Swerving in a rental, murder on my mental. Ain't no way to run when I got this burner to your temple. Feel like I'm the one with all the shit that I done been through. Feel like I'm the one with all the shit that I done been through. Look, there's two things in these streets that you better know. You either die for the shit or hit the level 4. What you better do is get your cheddar, bro, and roll the dice on them niggas, cause you never know. I got too many behind bars like a metaphor. And it's free them niggas, dog, till they let them go. What I'm saying, when it's green, man, you better go. Nigga, you never know. Nigga, you never know. Roll the dice on them niggas, cause you never know. Nigga, you better go. What I'm saying, when it's green, man, you better go. Yeah.
That's deep.
That's crazy, man. I got goosebumps, yo.
I finally understood what on my mental is.
Yeah, so he's basically just another way of
on
saying,
my mind. Yeah. Wow.
Damn.
Getting there, America, getting there.
I like that kind of slang. Yeah, mental on my mental instead of saying on my mind.
But it's like it's almost like wordplay.
Yeah.
But it makes you think. Like it made me think. Like, but then you got to listen and understand the meaning for us on Southern Hemisphere.
Yeah.
Wow.
On my mental would probably also mean like, don't make me go mental at the same time, you know what I'm saying? Nah, okay. Rest in peace to the brothers that you have lost. Damn, I can only imagine, like, what it's like living in the streets over there and stuff you go through, I guess.
It's a different kind of struggle on a whole higher level than us.
Yeah.
Like what we're going through now is what they've been
going through for decades, like, man. What do you think of Chuck on Beats?
Very, like, you have to listen. Like, I'm gonna listen to it again.
Yeah, for sure.
You have to listen to it and try and understand where he's coming from. Like you've noticed, I only picked up on what on my mental meant to them. I have to listen to it again, but I feel it.
Yeah.
Feel the.
And then the visuals add.
Yeah.
There was a lot of like things you're saying where I was like, man, I don't understand the slang or the meaning of it.
It's metaphors too.
Yeah, metaphors. Yeah, there's some brothers behind bars, like a metaphor or something.
But it's like short stunts where, like you said, it's like short stunts, but you got to try and pick up, like,
before
just pick up on them and then put a piece of whole bigger picture. I liked how the Bloods got shot and then they picked them up. Probably got shot by their own, but at least they picked them up.
Yeah, helped them
That's
up.
nice. It just shows,
unity, it doesn't matter what.
At least this beginning.
Yeah.
But that was nice. I liked that.
That's what we need more of, Just like that little picture that we just saw there is like what we want to see more of, like, more unity.
Not only with the colours,
Yeah.
but also with our own.
Our own people,
Like we're fighting, us polys are fighting each other.
Like we can talk about everything else that's happening in the world and can't, judge these people, but look at our own backyard and stuff like that. Like,
definitely.
But honestly, love that from our Tongan brother here, honestly supporting you all the way from
Inglewood.
Inglewood, man. That's definitely a place I'd love to visit.
I'd be scared.
Yeah, I'd be scared, but man, I'd love to go there. Shout out from and much love from us here in the Southern Hemisphere, Australia.
Please, fams, PolyMovement. May not understand, but by listening to it every now and then, and getting used to the slang in America, not just from the the top artists, but to our own polys, it just helps. And share it on your social media. Subscribe to Young Go, please, and just share the love, positive vibes.
And check out his other tracks while you're at it too. Like, he does have a lot of songs that you guys might not have known of. But other than that, much love, fam. Stay safe and see you guys in the next video. Bye.